Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrina Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 1 on the topic Lesson 1, and we will do exercise 1. I am repeating, today our topic is Lesson 1, exercise 1. Students, this is lecture number 2 and today's homework will be your first homework. Now dear students, please take your new Enjoying Grammar book. We will do lesson 2, exercise 1. So let's start. Lesson 2, it is about names of birds and animals, and you can see in bracket nouns. I'm repeating, our today's topic is names of birds and animals, and these are called nouns. Students, in your earlier lesson, you have learned about nouns, and it was names of things. Do you know what are called nouns? All the names are called nouns. It can be the names of things, it can be the names of birds or animals, and it can be the name of you. So when you will hear any kind of name, it is called noun. I hope you can understand what is noun. Now come to the main discussion. When you will get the names of any birds or animals, you can easily identify that it is noun. Look here, animals and birds also have names. So it means they have their own names. There are a lot of animals, lot of birds, but they have their names. Suppose you are a girl or you are a boy. Your teacher, your father, mother, or anyone never call you like girl, boy, girl come here, boy go there. They used to call you name. So you are a girl or a boy, but you have your own name. Like you, animals and birds have their own name. Look at this picture, students. What can you see? There are a lot of pictures, and these are birds, lot of animals. So from this, we have to do exercise 1. Students, look in the picture. There are some numbers given for you. You can identify the animals and birds, and you have to fill the gaps with appropriate letter. Exercise 1, look at the picture and complete the names of some of the birds and animals. So you have to look at this picture and you have to fill the gaps with birds and animals name. Number 1 is done for you. It is giraffe. Look in number 1. Here you can see number 1. In this picture, number 1 is giraffe. The spelling is Giraffe. Giraffe. The spelling is Giraffe. Giraffe. Now come to number 2. What can you see in number 2? In the picture, this is the picture of a peacock, and the spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now come to number 3, elephant. In number 3, elephant, we can see this is the picture of an elephant. So can you spell the word elephant? Okay, spell with me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 3 is elephant. Spell again. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Now come to number 4. What can you see in number 4? In number 4, we can see this is the picture of a horse. So write down with me H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The spelling of horse is H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Now number 5. Number 5, this is the picture of a bear, and the spelling of bear is B-E-A-R. Bear. The spelling is B-E-A-R. Bear. In number 6, look at the picture. This is the picture of a bird and it is called pigeon. So the spelling of pigeon is P-I-G-E-O-N. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. So now come to number 7. What can you see in number 7? This is the picture of an eagle. In number 7, this is the picture of an eagle and the spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. The spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Number 8 is, can you guess what is in number 8? Look here. This is a bird and it is called duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K. Duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K. Duck. Number 9. What can you see in number 9? This is an animal and the name of this animal is zebra. So spell with me Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. The spelling of zebra is Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Come to the picture again. What can you see in number 10? This is an animal and it is called lion. Can you spell lion, students? It would be L-I-O-N. Lion. The spelling of lion is L-I-O-N. Lion. Now come to number 11. What can you see in number 11? This is a bird and it is called parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Spell again. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And at last we can see in number 12, this is the picture of an owl. So can you spell owl? The spelling of owl is O-W-L. Owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L. Owl. Okay students, now look, I will tell you how you have to do your homework. Here you will do from number 1 to 8. Suppose G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Where is the gaps? I-A. You will write down like this. It will be your homework and homework will be exercise 1 and from 1 to 8 this will be your homework. It means from 1 to 8 you will write down in your homework copy. It will be your homework. You don't have to draw picture or anything else. You will just do from 1 to 8. Students, I am repeating, your homework will be lesson 2 exercise 1 1 to 8. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your prayers. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.